Hey guys, welcome back to the Wall Street Bull. Anthony here. I hope you're all doing well and staying positive out there. It is never a dull and boring moment in crypto, finance, or the stock market. That is why I love doing daily market updates. Now today, going to be doing this a little bit unconventional. I'm going to go over the crypto news today because there is a lot going on. Bitcoin has been pumping after the 50 basis points cut from the Federal Reserve. Freaking bullish times we're all living in at the moment. We do have some Ripple and XRP news. There's a lot going on in the crypto markets at the moment, and I'm also going to go over my trading bots with 3 commas because this stuff is insane. I'm going to show you in a second. Make sure you stick around. Massive shout out and thank you to every single one of you who have subscribed to the channel. I really appreciate it. Thank you very much. If you are new, smash the subscribe button down there and turn on that little bell notification as well, because as you can see on my channel, I absolutely love documenting my journey with investing with cryptos, dividend stocks, growth stocks, talking about passive income, building financial freedom, and of course my goal at the end of the day is to build generational wealth. So come on this incredible journey. Things are just getting nuts in this space. Also, if you can give this video a thumbs up, watch it straight through, would really help me push this channel out to a lot more people because the YouTube algorithm is absolute magic when you find, ladies and gentlemen, do that, all right? So make sure you give it a thumbs up. Doesn't cost you anything. It's down there. Thank you very much. You guys rock. Also, a little disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor. Please do your own research and due diligence with this stuff, all right? I don't want to see anyone get financially hurt. That is why my number one golden rule is I only invest what I can afford to lose. And yes, we don't like to lose. You can lose money like that when Grayscale decides to sell billions of dollars worth of Bitcoin. But anyway, guys, be careful out there. Do your own research and due diligence. This video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. Right, ladies and gentlemen, it is now 5:30 p.m. here on the 20th of September. Again, it's been like 48 hours since the Federal Reserve cut those interest rates, and Bitcoin is freaking pumping right now. It is currently up 9.52% on 7 days. We're going to go over it, so make sure you stick around, all right? All right, guys, if you have not subscribed to the channel, make sure you do that. Smash the thumbs up button and turn on the little bell notification as well. Also, I just want to point out, if you have not joined the Wall Street Bull University, make sure you do that. The link is in the video description. Coming over to CoinMarketCap today, we have a total market cap of $2.2 trillion, which is freaking nice. And we do have, you can see right here, $89 billion in trading volume, which is increasing significantly at the moment, which is really nice to see that. Bitcoin's currently trading at $63,486 today. That's US dollars. Now, I just want to quickly change this over to Aussie dollars for us Aussie crypto traders. It's 93,000 Australian dollars. Crazy. Ethereum's at 3,746 Australian dollars. Solana's $219 and XRP's at 86 cents. Now, going back to US dollar, everyone can keep calm for a moment. That's 2,500 or 2,554 USD. Solana's 149 USD, and of course XRP still cheap at 58 cents USD. Okay, very, very nice. Now, again, I'm still dollar cost averaging into my favorite assets, as everyone knows. All right, banking coins. It's just bullish. It really is, guys. Now, going into Bitcoin, having a quick look at this, all right? This is astonishing. It is up 2.28% on the day. On the 7 days, it's up 9.47 right here. This is crazy. This is insane. Seriously, it's absolutely insane. And on the month, it's up 6.28%. I mean, you're getting close to an average return on the S&P 500 of 8 to 10%. Traditional investments, all right? And by the way, my stock portfolio is freaking flying. I don't know about anyone else's, but absolutely crazy. Anyway, also, guys, just quickly, this is where it gets really, really interesting, all right? 3 commas. The market's going really well at the moment. 3 commas, again, are an official sponsor on my channel. If you do want to do this, you can get a discount if you use the link below, by the way. Please have a look at it. Do your research, don't go too crazy on it. But these dollar cost averaging bots that I've got set up, they're all in the Wall Street Bull University, are doing incredibly freaking well. All right, like, I mean that. Yesterday, I set up bots on Nero ETH. I've got stuff on Say, CKB, Sui, and of course, my general multi-bot, which is making some serious gains, all right? This is wild, but the P&L is already 299 USD. I set these up yesterday to $2.32, $1.83, $3.77, and 13.4 on Nero. This one is just a meme coin. So I like to trade the meme coins, right? Coming over, though, to Gate.io, no BS. Today, I've pulled in that. That's 390 USD. I don't even know what that is, actually, in actual fact. Let's go to here for a second. I just want to show you guys. Where's Tether? 390. Let's just have a look. Let's just change this to Aussie dollars so you guys can see, right? This is what we do. We skim profits off the top and let the bot do its thing, right? It was, let me just double check, 390.82. Let's have a look. This was today. No BS. 390.82. There you go. Sorry, my screen's really dusty at the moment. $573 in profits today. This is what I was saying the other day. When the market starts going really well, this is no BS. In the Wall Street Bull University, I've been posting up all the links to these bots as well. You can literally copy these if you wish and change them up. I'm using 10x leverage, so be aware that this is really risky. But anyway, it's incredible software. Now, I just want to make a quick point about this as well if you're wanting to do this. Let me just wait for this to load. I've currently got 3 commerce bots set up. All the bots are trading on 10x leverage, of course, on Gate.io, using a 3-minute time frame, using an RSI indicator, right? I just wanted to quickly tell everyone this. So here's your 3-minute chart. Here's your RSI indicator. This is on Bitcoin. So the position on Bitcoin opened up because the RSI indicator was below the 30 line on the RSI indicator. It's pretty straightforward. So you can see down here, right? Anyway, I've got 27 positions opened up. When the profit, you can see up here, I try to leave around about 27 deals, positions opened up, all right? 27 at this level of money. When this starts getting up and you've still got, say, 27 positions open up and you've got cash flow sitting in here, you need to move it from your futures account to your spot account. That's how you take the profits. I've done that today and I pulled in, what was it again? Let me just double check. 573 Australian dollars, right? That's how it works. So you set yourself a base for how many positions you want to, leave open. You've got free cash flow in here. You take your profits. Unbelievable stuff. Anyway, that's all in the Wall Street Bull University. Go check it out. Moving on to some news quickly, guys. Bitcoin nearing 64K. I mean, it's unbelievable what's going on at the moment. Again, can it avoid a drop? I know FTX has a significant amount of creditors to repay, but we'll see where it actually goes. But a year later, the Bitcoin market is now realizing substantial profits, encouraging stakeholders to hold for future gains. The Fed rate cut has certainly fueled this trend. However, the market remains in a neutral phase. A significant push could turn the RPL ratio green, potentially signaling a market top, according to AM Crypto. In summary, the market hasn't peaked yet, indicating a bullish outlook for potential future growth. The key question is whether the bulls will capitalize on this trend or retreat for smaller gains. The market's been going incredibly well. We're not even near the peak. Very, very interesting. There was $200 million in cryptos getting liquidated because of the Fed rate cut, which is wild. And according to data taken from CoinGlass right here, crypto liquidations jumped by 46% over the past day, hitting almost $200 million. The majority of the liquidated positions was worth $126 million. Shorts due to the market-wide bullish trends. So those of you who shorted the market basically got wiped, all right? And again, it works both ways. When, bullish news comes out, the market goes up. When bearish news comes out, the market goes down. It just works both ways, all right? Notably, the largest single liquidation worth $8.9 million on the Bitcoin USD pair occurred on the Bybit crypto exchange, which is crazy. In total, over 66,000 traders have been liquidated in the past 24 hours. Ethereum secured the second spot with over $35 million in liquidations as its price exceeded the $2,400 mark, which is just nuts, all right? So just be careful with trading with leverage. This is what happens. But, $8.9 million is a big loss. And, yes, the Bitcoin ETF surged to $158 million in inflows. Bitcoin price making another 24-hour high above 64K, supporting the bullish momentum of the Bitcoin ETF, bounced back after ending a 4-day streak of consecutive inflows. which is interesting as well. The US Bitcoin ETFs hit 158.3 million with 49.9 in Fidelity, 10.9 in Bitwise, ARK 21 shares 7.4, Franklin Templeton and Grayscale Bitcoin ETFs as well. The current total net Bitcoin held by spot ETFs is worth $57.82 billion. Did you see that freaking number? That's freaking crazy. Now, again, this is an interesting one. I'm going to end on this one because I'm not going to make it a long video, but analysts expect a green mega pump to push XRP by 9,468% to $27. I mean, E-Grade Crypto puts out some bullish analysis right here, but the market analyst, based on his prediction of XRP's historical price movements, we have demonstrated massive pumps in previous cycles. E-Grade, it basically explains that the XRP cycle bottom is currently set at 28 cents. And from this level, the token could rise to various price targets, each based on its past performance and the current market condition. I mean, possible scenarios with this as well. He breaks down each scenario by using color codes, starting with a more conservative outlook with XRP could rise by 932%, bringing the price to $3, which again, it was close to that before the SEC lawsuit. The price is slightly lower than the all-time high of $3.31. Now moving down, the next target again looks to be a 1,563% price pump, which could push the XRP to $4.85. 2,000 brings it to $6.22. We've got 2,500, $7.68. And of course, ultimately 9,468% surge in this scenario based on historical performance. I mean, that's never a good indicator, but XRP could reach an extraordinary price of $27. Look out. Seriously, look out. But this one's interesting, all right? Ripple and their stablecoin. I mean, the Grayscale XRP Trust. I'm sick of all these pop-ups, man. It's out of control. I mean, the Grayscale Trust has gone live. It did go live. The net asset value, or the NAV, of the Grayscale Trust, a measure of the intrinsic value per share, is calculated at the end of each business day. According to the official website, while the NAV does not influence the underlying asset's price, it tends to identify the general direction in which the share price is headed. Which is interesting. And you can see right here, Grayscale's XRP Trust NAV climbs to $11.49, suggesting growth in the institutional demand for the asset. And of course, on top of this as well, we've got Ripple preparing for their stablecoin launch, even if the SEC head maintains harsh stance on crypto regulation. This is freaking bullish. It really is, guys. Honestly, it really is. It's wild. We had the opportunity to accumulate XRP before all these institutions, which is nice as well. And keep an eye on what's going on with the Ripple lawsuit as well. It's going to be very interesting to see what happens with this. And yeah, it's basically over. Right, guys, I thought that was an interesting video that I had to do, but it's a bullish time. I personally like to, continue my dollar cost averaging strategy. That's buying my favorite assets, holding them, and then, of course, trading. Those two different investments. I've got the ones that I trade with the 3 commas bots and the ones that I'm buying and holding. So it's just a freaking bullish time. Continue to dollar cost average. Don't FOMO into anything. Have a plan to take profits like I just showed you. Maintain that. Be consistent and things will get really bullish, all right? But anyway, that was a quick update today. Join the Wall Street Boy University because we'll be able to get links to all those bots that I've just showed you. But come on. $500 a day is nuts. Anyway, let's see if this continues. Hopefully the market doesn't shit itself over the weekend. Anyway, guys, take care of yourselves. Peace out. Bye.